How to fix Google Play Store not downloading apps. Firstly, check your network connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your network is lagging, then try switching to mobile data to see if that helps. You can also try to reconnect to the same network or a different one. Also, give your device a quick restart. Sometimes minor issues like this can be fixed with a restart. Tap and hold on the Play Store and click on the eye icon. Go to Storage option and click on Clear Cache at the bottom. Make sure that you have at least 1 GB of space. Go to Settings and search for Storage. After that, click on the Storage option. Here, as you can see, I have enough space on my device. If you have insufficient storage, then try deleting videos or unnecessary data. Another thing that hinders downloading process is using VPN. Make sure that your device is not connected to any VPN. Search for VPN on your settings. Click on the VPN option. Make sure that your VPN is not connected. Additionally, try to check for system updates. If there are any software update available, then update those. That's all for today. Thank you.